In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Meta Business Suite. First, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. Make sure you're logged into the correct Facebook account and that you have access to the business you want to work with. Once the page has loaded, you'll see a navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find all the main sections of Meta Business Suite. From that left-hand menu, click on Insights. Insights is the area where Meta groups together your analytics, including performance data for your content, your audience, and your overall results. It can take a few seconds to load, especially if you manage multiple pages or have a lot of data, so just give it a moment. If you want to export content-related data, such as how your posts and reels are performing, look to the left-hand side again and click on Overview under the Insights section. The Overview page gives you a summary of your key content metrics over a selected period. Before exporting, it can be useful to quickly check that your date range at the top of the page is set to what you need. For example, the last 7 days, 28 days, or a custom range. Now, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Overview page. There, you'll see an export option. Click on Export. When you do this, Meta will give you different file formats to choose from. You can export your data as a PNG image, a CSV file, or a PDF document. PNG is helpful if you want a quick visual snapshot to drop into a presentation. CSV is best if you plan to do deeper analysis in tools like Excel or Google Sheets. PDF is useful when you just need a clean, shareable report. Once you've exported your content data, you can move on to other types of data. To do that, look back at the left-hand column and click on Results. This section focuses more on performance outcomes, such as engagement, reach, and other key metrics. On each metric card, you'll see an export dropdown with the same 3 options: PNG, CSV, and PDF. Choose the format that fits how you plan to use that particular metric. Finally, you can repeat this process for your audience data. In the left-hand menu, click on Audience. Here you'll see insights about who is interacting with your business, such as age ranges, locations, and other demographics. Just like before, use the export options available to download this audience data in the format you prefer, so you can store it, share it, or analyze it further outside of Meta Business Suite.